LOD. LOD, AutoLOD, is an auto detail and by default it is set to LOD 0. LOD 0 would be the one which is the highest quality. LOD 0 is used when a character is very close to our frame. What are LODs in the field of video games? It's the levels of detail. The levels of detail indicates that we will have a higher number of vertices than the choices below, in such a way as to have the highest quality close to our room. Clearly, if a character moves away from the camera in a real-time engine as it is in Real Engine, we don't need to load e.g. 25,000 vertices. But we could load fewer vertices and have textures that have lower resolution. Textures are always in square resolution. And it means that here we have a resolution of about 8,000, and the more we go down, the more we will have a loss of what is the quality of detail. Both in the field of modeling the shapes, therefore of the mesh, but also in the quality of our texture. Because we don't have the need, as mentioned, just go down to realize what it means to be on 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. Here is an option that says always use air cuts, and he clearly decreases the quality, because it practically sets itself to a lower quality. This is to speed up our system. If it is not necessary, you are saying it on these. Obviously, if I'm on lot 7, it means that this character is very far away. It could be even further away than this, because I don't need to view the detail. If, for example, they are on LOD 5 and on LOD 0, I could notice, on LOD 4 etc. I could not even notice the differences, so it is not necessary that I have a very high quality if they are at this distance. Here also, if I put always use air cuts. Anyway, I don't have a change of what are the resolutions, 'cause I'm already a distance away. 3 LOD, 2 LOD, 1 LOD. You see that since I set this, I don't have an important change in what is my mesh and my textures. As mentioned, the textures always move to multiples ranging from 500, 12, 1000, 24, 2000, 48, 4000, 96 and so on. That would be the quality of my texture for my character. As for the head, when we are in lot 7, for example, we have 130 vertices. When we are in lot 6, we have 270 vertices. Lot 5 we have 560. Lot 4 we have 1300. Lot 3 we have 2500. Lot 2 we have 6000. Multiples we go. 1 we have 12,000. Here we have 24,000. So they are multiples. Ditto for the parts of the body. Here too the quality is changed. But in this case the most visible part concerns the face. Here there is a decay, but it is obviously not as visible as for our face.